Hello guys, it's your guy Vierra. Welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to be designing the VMS project 5. So let's get started. It's actually a pretty simple project. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure my units should be in inches. Second thing, I'm gonna draw a circle of 1.95 inch and I'm gonna extrude it by 0.75. Hope it's visible enough. Okay, 1.95 and then 0.75. okay, let's get started with this. Okay, file, new part, making sure unit is inches. Okay, top view, circle, smart dimension 1.59 with an extrusion. I'm gonna make the extrusion go down. I'm gonna give it 0.75 as indicated. Okay, fine, that's perfect. Okay, let's look at the drawing. We have to draw, this particular holes. Looking at this, these are actually tap holes. Yeah, they are actually tap holes, as you notice. So firstly, I'm gonna draw a circle, construction circle of diameter 1.63. yeah, just a construction, right? Then I'm gonna put a dot and I'm gonna insert this specification. Okay, 1.63. let's get started with this. Okay, top view, sketch, circle. Okay, smart dimension 1.63. fine, construction, just select, fine. Okay, point. Okay, perfect. So my point is at this point. So stop sketch, hole with that, tap hole actually here. Okay, inch, perfect. Tap hole selected. Looking at the specification, we got 1032 and an extrusion of 0.38. okay, let's look at this. 1032 extrusion of 0.38. sorry, 0.38. all fine. Okay, position, 3D sketch, select the point. Okay, the thread isn't coming out. Okay, one thing, just go rapidly settings, options. Oh, it's taking some time. Okay, good. Under settings, I just forget where it is. Document properties, delete, and then check shaded custom thread on. Perfect. So as you notice, when that is on, your thread actually comes. So this is just a little tip. Okay, looking at the sketch, we got about 6 of these holes, of these tap holes actually. So circular pattern. Action, I'm going to choose this circle. Let's take this circle. We have not selected the features, select this hole. Okay, fine. Tap holes, 6 of them are good. Oh, fine, just perfect. Okay, so let me just select this. I'm going to hide it. Height. Okay, fine. So let's look at what is next. Let's go on the sketch. Okay, I think we are done with this drawing. Okay, next drawing. So looking at the next drawing, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw 3 circles with this particular specification or diameters, and then I'm gonna extrude it, making sure that the 2 smaller circles, this inner circles, have an extrusion of 0.06 and the outer circle got an extrusion. Hope I'm not mistaking this. No, there should be a confusion here, right? Yeah, if you look clearly, it's clear that the inner circle, rather, look, if you follow the gap, right? Let's look at this. So this inner circle got an extrusion rather of 0.5 and the outer circle got an extrusion of 0.06. so let's look at this. We got circles of 1.32, 1.32 and 1.18. Let's draw this rapidly. 1.32, 1.32, circle 1.18. Quite simple project actually. 1.18. Okay, let's look at the last circle. Okay, circle of 1.13. okay, circle command. Okay, oh perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop sketch. I'm going to make sure that the sketch is still selected. I'm gonna take extrude cut. Okay, I'm gonna select this inner. I'm gonna give it an extrusion of 0.5, right? 0.5, good, perfect. Again, making sure, just take this down, making sure sketch selected, extrude cut. Then I'm gonna give this outer part, this part, good, an extrusion rather of 0.06 as per diagram specification. Okay, all good. Okay, let's just check what's left. All good, we are all done here. So let me just zoom this. Okay, so we are going to be using 6061 aluminium TS6. Okay, so we just have to add the material and equally the color, but I'm not gonna be adding the color. We are directly going to be making the cam part in the next tutorial, definitely. So that could be an assignment, adding the coloration or the appearance of the object. So over here, material, right click, edit material. Okay, just I think it's 6061 TM, just my mistake, 6061. Okay, this one, apply. Okay, close, it's all fine. So guys, it's a good project, actually quite simple but actually good since there's actually a new concept. I hope you like the project, guys. So in the next tutorial we are going to be speaking about the generation of the M&G code. Guys, can you motivate me? Like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much, guys.